Hey mama, welcome to this video where I'm going to talk to you about what car seat you should buy for your newborn baby. We would love for you to click the link below and head on over to Parently, where you can learn everything that you need to learn about pregnancy, labor, and delivery before your little baby even gets here. And that's what I want to talk to you about today, is the fact that you really need to buy your car seat before your baby gets here. I know maybe that's not what you're thinking. Why should I go spend all this money on this fancy car seat to put in my car and there's no baby to even put in it? Maybe you can just buy a baby doll and put it in there, make you feel like you're getting some use out of it. But really, it's super important that you know what options you have, which ones are the best for the safety of your baby, and how to put it in, how to take it out, because when you go to the hospital and deliver, they're not gonna let you take your baby home until they see that car seat installed in your car. And sometimes they can be really complicated. Where do these buckles go? What does this do? Why would they put this on here? And you really want to seem like a pro at it to those nurses. So what car seat do I recommend? Well, I am a nurse and I want the best for all babies. And I know that seems funny because you're thinking, well, so do I, but especially my own baby. I recommend the Diono Rainier 2 AXT. This is your best option as a car seat. And it does come at a little bit of a price, a little pricey out there, but it has so many features. First of all, it has the best ratings for safety. Also, my son loves it because it sets him up a little bit higher. His first car seat was like the normal car seat that you would see. It holds a little infant in a sleeping position. Well, now my baby's a little bit bigger. He's 7 months old and he is curious. He wants to look out the window. Well, the Diono is amazing because it can be used for newborns all the way up to 120 pounds, which means that you buy one car seat for the life of that baby that needs to be in a car seat. And so you don't have to feel like, okay, I'm gonna spend $300 now, and then, okay, in a few months, a year, or whatever, I have to buy another one. This car seat goes from infant all the way up to 120 pounds. That is amazing. It's also created out of this high quality steel alloy that is incredibly safe for babies. So whatever life throws at you, whatever accidents you might end up in, and I know that sounds crazy because you would never think it's gonna happen to you, but accidents do happen. It's got some nice pillows, some nice side padding. The straps have a lot of cushioning on them. It also has some cup holders. Amazing, right? Because once they get those sippy cups, babies definitely put their cups in a cup holder, right? No, they throw them, but it's a nice feature. Comes in some great colors. The car seat also folds down and is very easy to transport. You can buy some straps to attach onto it to carry for travel. The car seat is also very easy to install. It has two straps that you just need to hear a click, click, and you're done. Baby goes into the car seat, super easy to put those straps in, click, click, and he's set, you're ready to drive. My son loves it. I definitely recommend that you as a mama go out, check out all your options, and get the car seat that you need now while you're pregnant, while you still have some energy, and definitely before it's time to bring baby home. I hope this was helpful to you. Again, please click the link below and get empowered in your pregnancy. We would love to be your resource in your pregnancy. So head on over to Parently, and good luck, mama. Don't get overwhelmed with all of your options. Get the car seat that you need.